This one go just if I finish, I stop. Just so like that. Una well done, my people. Una good afternoon, good evening. Time don't change. I don't know the actual time. Wa bebe nege kai. Wa beba wo. E ka bo pon sa lo gba yete na. Ipon mo dere ade. Ti mama gbe no sa lo gba na gbogbo na maya go. Ti mama gbe no sa lo gba na gbogbo na maya go.
People okay. Yes, they don't go.
So ti mama gbe no sa lo gba na gbogbo na maya go. Ma come carry this thing come for you. When you wanna put on this. So, say make I use English. Okay, make I use English. I so much thank God for what God do for all of us. Not be say we too good though. Where God protect us to this day. Now the mercy of God upon us, and make us still live today where we say nothing to us. So we have to give thanks to God. Today. Maybe I've sent a message. Obey my command.
No, I got people on work at 6 o'clock.
6 never reach now.
Those 5 minutes to 6.
You stayed here. Obey my command. So they look at whether it is people. So as God still protect us, have mercy on us. So we have to give thanks to God. So let make me just say, make I just dance for God, to the glory of God that is in me. For him to protect me and my family. So I'm very grateful. God, I thank you. So I want everybody, make we still give thanks to God. I know say we dey thank God since for house. So those who say they go see they go church, or they say they thank God. So now God is the owner of the universe. So we have to give thanks to him. So another thing will make me just come. I know say the last video when I do, I can't announce say they say our papa talk, the owner of Edo, say they say they no sweep pass for 3 days, of which is a lie. So later, after 2 days, was it on Saturday? Be Friday. I don't know. So I can't see am for media say na lie. Oh, that rumor where be say that they blow, they go say na lie. So before me, I can't announce that thing that day. He called me, even send the audio to me. I listen to the other, so say because anything when I hear say our not good, because he always want the best for us. So I obey, but I obey the something. So I still tell my people. I even still send out to some people say, I beg go see wetin they say. Make person do, make una sit, make una do am. Make una do am. So but later I come say na lie. So all those people they you will just get your time to carry false rumor. Just get your time to record false rumor. Wetin be say e no even happen. Wetin they no even talk for palace, you say they talk am. All those people wey dey do am, any cow or ikuwa basa or ikuwa bava. Uwa mi again we atota. Uwa fun wa with voice record, uwa we audio. Uwa send there. when I want to him, you know, concern every man in a ayaku. I be on him, why I get what to take on me. One of just the carry first rumors, they go. Eh? Oh, man, ni sure a real of by winner because a mini honor. Oh, man, always voice recording me. Oh, piano because a two voice recording and sending. Oh, paron who, oh, paron of piao. That two, oh, man, with that voice recording in your near. You understand? So, my came no more soon, Wagata can wear or soon. Ah, I be on why wouldn't why able back bay. Do wa offend in a commit a crime in a commit a sin wa own waya if you ever back bay. I don't know. So when we blame very on now when spread the false rumors again, it's not good though. Look how they spread the false rumors again. Now here. So now what I just come and come tell you be that. It's not good. No, how they spread this coronavirus. Many false rumors don't come out for inside. Where we say they don't talk. Where's my glass? Where we say they don't talk. Many things where they don't talk about people. Of which is very bad. That kind is not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. Give me my glass. It's not just good. If we just wait, not just happen. We just talk and say, hey, now so it happen. Oh, now so it happen. Whereas it not happen like that. Whereas it not just happen like that. We just spread where first rumors they go. Eh? Hypertension, why am hypertension? It's so worrying. What say, hey, they oh. Now so I just hear that they say people just they work out for street for the city where they say say the people where just there they just they fall for street. Now say nobody don't fall for street oh. Nobody don't fall for street. They never fall for street. I don't see anybody say it fall for street too. So they just if you just they work out for street, they will just fall. Now lie, that kind of thing not happen. Well, now just they talk like they go. Eh? You say when you go just sit down, they say make you sit down for inside house now to call the form lie when you go call the talk for tell people. Eh? It don't good now. So all those kind of things not good. Now I just come out, make I just come talk. Look how they mislead our people. Eh? But it not just happen. You just come out, come say now so it happen. Oh, area why you just they record the false rumors they go. Just they give people hypertension and what they say make they not do. You just they talk on your own. If you get demon, when we say you won't sacrifice those. You don't want to make people soup house for 3 days. Just come and say you get demon. When you know when that demon tell you say make them not sweep house. You understand? Not be saying you call it who am oge. Any man of work over ko wa to ta wa am oge wa mu bae. Ah? E mania. E dem ma o. What is this one? I'm gonna be here. See the person is saying this thing. Let me check this side. This one. I bet make una listen to you know the land. I bet una listen to this thing. Okay.
Just imagine. A day now they send me one code. When they send the code come, my friend say, "Man, try." I say, "If it's coming to make us still try am. If it's coming, try that." I said, "Maybe that is coming, then I try am." When I try am, when I see the right living faith church, I tell them my church. Now I look at what did they happen again? They say make I press star 389. Then I press star 30 star 1 hash. make I dial am. Now I dial am. When I open and I see 1 offering, 2 for tithe,
Now the year.
3 for thanksgiving,
The year.
4 for Shiloh offering. Shiloh don't pass him so.
Pastor don't want, they don't want his guide at all.
Then 6 for others. And the customer can replace 7 again to manage accounts. I don't understand. I say sure. Now I go press 1. When I press 1, now he show me. Say, I beg you not try and see what you have the talk. Say make we offering the amount what I want to put. I say sure. We dey house. Government say make we go house. Go stay. To sit down for house. We know they work. How we go take they produce money now? We don't even see want to buy food for the children, buy food for all of ourselves. Now they want to go they give a church. And if you imagine Dangote, he dropped 1 billion. Somebody that take managing sickness. Paul Smith dropped 1 billion. To the Olumelu dropped 1 billion. Femi Okedewa dropped 1 billion. Jimofia dropped 1 billion. Then Obato himself even big he has where he has. Dangote still drop the house for Lagos. Obato just submit properties they use for hospital. Atiko dropped 50 million. Then instead of church, when they say we like collect the money, give una. Una no would have supposed to try use that money. Take to it to us now because we now like the die. Una don't get the place on that day. Isolate to ourselves. Money one has got to drop, make it safe. We when they the churches, even other churches Christians, una not drop 10 naira. Una the reason said, una just say, but we can't pay money. Press this online. It's a shame. Go to Lord and not the apple. Now shame for this country. Big shame. We get people like my pastor Yedipo, our papa. You don't do school get money, everything get money. Yet you can't even say make you drop money. You drop 1 billion on the bat. When you want to take from us. Also they reach all the right on the share like who mess for boss. So they did
it's a mess for boss.
You don't feel drop money, say make them drop. See guys embassy. Say come with. Now even to the church I never drop but I believe say go drop. Because that man is spent for people. I beg na God I say beg una. Una behavior not good. Whether I go join movement now, I don't know. Because I go force people come out for the church. This is this time period. One has got to support Nigeria.
Support the
citizens.
Support our members.
Government. Make we all for not die. But now that they do and they shame for that. If you know to go viral. So the one I hear that make una shame for ourselves. Una too girl on truth.
Too much.
In fact, may God forgive us all. Thank you very much.
Okay. My people, now don't listen to this this message, this thing when this man talk. You see, all the money what those big men, then Dangote, Obasanjo, Atiku, $10 donate na church na they give to. Still, they are not still satisfied. They see they demand, see they ask for money, when they bring money, when they see they still want to see they collect offering, they collect tithe, they collect seed planting, so seed sowing abi, what do they call am? They sow seed. All those kind of good. Now all these churches now ain't supposed to come. So okay, if now even if they don't give outsiders, if now their members, so everybody wey come church, so make una take so thing take support them as the condition of everywhere be so. Una see they collect, una they collect, una members they sick. Una no go even talk say okay, we'll see what una go do to help. Una no fit help anything. Now so xenophobia they keep people for South Africa that time. Most of the pastors, all these big pastors, una get private jet, una not take and help them. Una go say those people where they die for xenophobia for South Africa, their family not dey una church, where they pay tithe and offering for una church, make una even help. Una not get time to help. Una just stand as a parasite to the nation. Now not they do anything but now to collect money, to extort money from the pocket of the poor people. Now una just dey that kind thing good. E not good though. What una dey do not just good at all. E not good. thing. E not just good at all. The thing una dey do, wetin una dey do not good. Una say una be pastor, una be this, una be that. Una want people to make people. Una want people to copy to follow una. Una go behave well. This pastor dey do this one. Make we still copy. Make we not be like that. Na to find money, find one way or the other to collect money from the poor people. Now una just dey. This kind thing no good. Now see the condition full everywhere. Una dey find one way or the other wey people now take extort money from pockets. From the pocket of the masses. I tire for now. I just tired. I don't even know wetin I go do. I don't know wetin the kind word when I will say talk say una be. Nothing wey go happen when I say una come out una want to help, you know dey. At least now see what I say, okay, the members make una come so church see. Now so dem dey do am for Europe. You see all these Caritas, ordinary time sef. Many people that they go Caritas, go carry clothes, go carry food, carry many things. They carry. They give, they not they take. But Nigeria want to collect every day, collect. No get the one that they give. No get. No good now. No good. Then me go come. See as this song when this influencer Kabama say he suppose you know for where God dey, if for go greet am. He suppose I know where God dey. I for say I'll go greet am, Baba God, you do well for my body. He said I can never thank God through human being. Me I can't thank God through one pastor or through one person say and this one me I can't do thanksgiving through that person. No, and now that person now they worship not be the God. God not go collect anything from you. Now just to use your mouth, thank God, give thanks to God with your heart, finish. So I don't feel go say one church you now won't come dey thank God, come dey do this thing. Never, I can't do that. So me I don't come out for that kind line. When pastor will come dey brainwash. Pastor can never brainwash me now. They don't feel brainwash me again. Pastor don't feel brainwash me again. I don't pass that level where pastor go dey brainwash. Body dey fine. Well done. I hear oh. Well done, body dey. We thank God oh. We give glory to God for everything. We give glory to God. Now God get power. We not get power by ourselves. You see this coronavirus when it comes to, now we go take know how God take like us. We go take know the way God take like us. This coronavirus, you don't know whether you be poor person or whether you be rich person. You don't know. You don't know whether you rich or you be poor. You don't select who is the whole. You see, you don't select say this one now. This person I ain't want cash today. You don't select am. This thing stay well now. Now say make it not come out just make it help me. They do. I know they stay. Stay well, Jerry. Stay well. So now you not select big person, you not select rich man, you not select poor man, say that so person. You not select the righteous. You see many people when die for Italy. All those bishop when he die. You want tell me say now all of them commit sin? No. You know say this one right now, this one I they go church oh. You know now this one I they serve juju oh. Babalawo na be this oh. Na Allah Kubaro be this oh. Na Hare Krishna be this oh. Na Hindu be this. You don't select anybody. Everybody now one. We supposed to know say we be one in the sight of God. Everybody, whether you be Babalawo or you be Christian, you be bishop or you be pope or you be Hare Krishna or you anything where you come from, anything where you know say you dey serve God. No, this coronavirus not select. You go round. You see, so God is one. Now God is one. So no, you not select anything. Not select anybody. Not if you say that this one I get money or this one they stay for dirty place, making go worry because of the dirty way they stay. You not do like that. You even say people wey dey for village, una don hear people wey dey for village for Africa, una don hear say coronavirus hold dem. You no hold dem. Me no say if this coronavirus reach Nigeria, say if e reach Africa, because we get agbo wey we dey drink well well. If you continue to drink that agbo, wetin be coronavirus? Wey be coronavirus? Coronavirus go run. Na me dey talk. I tell my sister wey dey gem wey come me today, I say e suppose mean dey Africa. The agbo wey I go cook coronavirus, if I cook am for Oluku, coronavirus wey dey for Ring Road, e go just dey run dey go. E go just dey run. E go run pass wetin dem dey call am, all that village wey dey after Upper. Except to Nogala Jamba Gboni Mehianle, up to Lemu, coronavirus go run, go pick race. Different agbo dey wey be say when you drink am for that Africa, when you drink am, you go feel heat, you go sweat. Sometimes me I dey bring am come here, say sometimes I just look and say I wan drink agbo. The time I wan go Nigeria that time, they say, hey, you will never go Nigeria since. You never go Africa. Hey, you won't come go Africa now. You not go meet doctor. You not go do this. So I say, medicine when me I know pass that doctor. I not go hospital go say I won't go Africa. I mean, give me medicine. But people call they ask me, I say yes, I don't go. I not go. When I reach Africa, oh, but not try yourself, oh. If you not stand well, go drink that water where they say when I take 10 naira that time. Be like so that when I pure water. If you drink you will see yourself. Ever water, that my picking buy for me where they drink they put ever water for. Ever water no bad. You know the worry person. One day they go Ring Road, I did inside motor. Go slow, come hold us before that 5 junction. We did there, go slow. As we just come down now, buy pure water. I see people they buy and I say, as if say the thing no worry, they no see worry me now. Now I buy that pure water 10 naira. I say I drink am. But let's come start to the tummy. Go be like say I won't vomit. Be like say belle the tummy. I say, hey, they really talk say this water no good oh. Not being young people they do oh, where they make oh, where we say they go drink this kind of water or say why what you make me drink am? Hey. Fear not go even let me tell my pikin say see the water when I drink. You go ask, you go because tell me say if I dey go, me I dey carry the water dey follow body, but I not carry. If I dey go at me I carry water, I not carry. I say hey, and it remain 2 days for this burial. I'll call the sick. I don't want to go this their hospital here. Oh. Hey, they be tell me I go hospital now. I call remember say me okay. As the burial they worry me now, so I quick I dey Ring Road. I quick waka comot. As I just go, I say make I just go back home because I don't know. I'll be like say I won't vomit. I don't know the time when I dey go Oluku side. I don't know the time when I enter motor where they go Second West. I don't reach this thing Tesame Road now. I know where I dey. I say call the house driver. What did they do for this place now? He say I not be Second West. Say they go. I say Second West. No, not be Second West. I dey go now. Oluku side I dey go. This thing now. One starting problem again. Now say not be now Oluku side that they go say Oluku say no now wait till you tell me. I can't remember say now me made mistake. I just give her money. I can't call down cross to the other side. Just walk across to the other side. I say okay. Make I go. I go enter motor. Where they go Oluku. I reach Oluku, before we reach Oluku, the motor that they say, Oluku $1. I say, okay. I just sit down. As we reach Oluku, they say, madam, come down. I say, may I come down? No, not be Oluku, I they go. I tell you, say, I they go Oluku. Where you they go? I say, you give $1. I can't do strong guy for that. I say, now, you give $1, I they go. And so I just, he can't say, I say, this time around, I won't vomit for inside that motor. I know what they worry me. I just, when we reach, after Oluku, I just come down. I say, make I just enter motor there. Now I just take taxi direct. They go house. As I reach house, that's why I just enter. My wife say, mommy, waiting. I say, no, something they do me. I won't vomit. He say, you won't vomit. Now so I just go lie down. Just enter inside house direct, go lie down. My pikin say, what did they do you? And fear not let me talk say na water I drink. That water no good. I can't sit down. Now so my And so my husband son just come and say, abeg o Sapolo, help me go find this thing for me o, go find guava leaf come o, come I wan cook agbo o, go bring I tell my wife, you get ginger, you get this one for house. He say yes. Oh yeah, go bring am. Pear, this and that. Oh yeah, go bring am. No, just cook am. No. Na so that boy just run, just go find pear leaf and guava leaf. We cook am with this turmeric, everything. We jam everything together with oziza. We cook everything. As I just dey cook am, I say, yeah, me na bring am, make I give me 1 cup, make I drink. As I drink, vomit when I wan vomit, I no feel am. Under 30 minutes, see sweat for my body. Na so I take free o, I no go hospital because 2 days to the burial. Now I go come say I wan go hospital. Which hospital I go for there? I wan go for Africa. I no go hospital. Na so I take treat myself. I say, come, they say your body good o. I drink that thing even before I dey come sef. I drink am, I even cook agbo, carry put for inside rubber, carry come. And so I take come. I know say coronavirus no go fit survive for that Africa unless those people wey be say all those pastors don deceive say make you not take native medicine, make you not take agbo, make the olive oil, water wey they get for church, make you dey take that one. Na the thing go fit hold. If you dey continue to drink this drink agbo every day, coronavirus no go fit hold you. As e dey come, e go run. I even hear now say Chinese don dey buy this orioyo. Benin dey call am orioyo. Yoruba dey call am ori. So that thing, that shea butter, they say they don dey buy am for Africa. They carry am dey go China now. Say that thing e dey reduce the attack of coronavirus. You put am for nose, take am rub your hand, put am for nose, and if you put am for nose, inside and the outside, so the coronavirus no go fit hold you. Me, I get see the rubber when I put. I know they let am dey finish for my hand. Now we say because of coronavirus, I dey use am all. Na so e be o, my people. So na that this year I just come talk o. I just come talk because of people wey dey carry fake rumors dey go. Make una no dey give people hypertension, and the rumors wey una no hear, make una no dey record am, dey share am. Make una no dey do am, e no good. Mania, when you made Danny here, I beg. And that one just come tell my people because me, I know the thing pay me well. I know they like to carry false rumors. I don't like them. And we no matter soon do what I said thing ye. So now so you be o. Often we gbe my yaro egbe na me gbe my ya fefero. No we gbe oki ma e o mani egbe hian oko. E tun salubwa. Wa ya kojo. O mani an okin dokpa.